Guys, now I'm at the most beautiful place in Malaysia and the most important place in Malaysia. I waited so long to come to this place.
Orang pelancong dari Amerika terpegun dengan R&R Malaysia. Katanya belum pernah lihat yang setanding di negaranya. Kagum dan terharu. Itulah reaksi
to what we are used to when we think about rest areas in Australia. They've got everything here. Tons of places to eat, places to shop. There's a little playground for the kids. It's really a refreshing stop.
Jalan tol di Malaysia. Ini aku lupa R&R area mana ya. Tapi perjalananku dari Nilai ke Shah Alam. Jadi karena tiba-tiba lapar, aku stop di R&R ini dan ngeliat ada putu bambu. Aku suka banget sama putu bambu ini, tapi aku selalu nemunya kalau lagi di R&R. Apakah
I'm absolutely speechless. I'm still speechless, y'all. For real. For real.
Malaysia's changed my life. I'm in here to backpack Malaysia.
Not just recently. R&R Machap was built in 1993 and 15 years later it got a fully air-conditioned makan-makan space. One thing the whole world should know about Malaysia.
It's a beautiful country. I like it. I love it. It's a good mixture of Western and Asian life.
Tell us why.
Got to be one of the most impressive R&Rs I've ever seen. Wah, sitting so tall. Wah, Zeus coffee. Wah, coffee bean.
Kenapakah sesuatu yang kita anggap biasa, rupanya buat orang luar terdiam dan terkejut? Kenapakah bila pelancong berhenti sekejap di lebuh raya Malaysia, mereka terus kata, ini bukan R&R biasa. Mereka datang dengan jangkaan rendah, tapi apa yang mereka lihat terlalu jauh dari apa yang dibayangkan. Inilah kisah bagaimana R&R Malaysia buat pelancong luar hilang kata-kata. Di banyak negara, R&R hanyalah tempat singgah, tandas, pam minyak, terus jalan. Tapi bila pelancong masuk R&R Malaysia, mereka terhenti. Ada medan selera lengkap, ada kedai kopi, ada surau bersih dan selesa, ada taman hijau, lanskap cantik. Ini bukan tempat singgah, ini tempat berehat sebenar.
Guys, now I'm at the most beautiful place in Malaysia and the most important place in Malaysia. I waited so long to come to this place. Nih guys, sekarang I datang ke tempatnya. Nah itu tempatnya paling terkenal, most famous in Malaysia. Excuse me? Yeah. The most famous place in Malaysia? Yes. Yes? Oh my god, so people go here special to come, like to Malaysia to come here? Yes. Yeah? You're from Kuala Lumpur? Orang Kuala Lumpur?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh,
I live in Malaysia now.
Oh, how many years?
I'm living 3 years in Malaysia.
Cakap bahasa Malaysia sikit-sikit, boleh?
Betul.
Wah, comel sangat.
Apa itu?
Comel, cute.
Oh, cute tak?
Yeah, cute. You cute.
Saya tak cute, saya cute lah.
Itu semacam mall, tapi ini rest area. Ada cafe, western food. Is this the most famous arena in Malaysia? Ya? Yes. Sebab apa? Sebab besar ini. Kawasan ini besar. Saya semacam orang Melayu tak? Sikit. Okay, orang Malaysia, please comment lah sebab apa tempat ini sangat viral dan tempat paling bagus di Malaysia.
Seorang pelancong dari Amerika terpegun dengan R&R Malaysia. Katanya belum pernah lihat yang setanding di negaranya. Kagum dan terharu. Itulah reaksi ramai selepas melihat pelancong dari Amerika Syarikat memuji kawasan R&R Malaysia yang selama ini mungkin dianggap biasa oleh rakyat tempatan. Bila seorang asing menyatakan bahawa beliau tidak pernah melihat tempat rehat sebesar ini di negaranya sendiri, ia bukan saja membuatkan kita berbangga, malah membuka mata ramai bahawa apa yang kita ada sebenarnya bertaraf dunia. Kenyataan Terry Pennell bukan pujian kosong, sebaliknya satu peringatan untuk menghargai kemudahan yang kita miliki. Tambahan pula, netizen yang mengesyorkan dia melawat R&R lain seperti Seremban dan Sungai Buloh jelas menunjukkan semangat kita sebagai rakyat Malaysia dalam meraihkan sesuatu yang baik tentang negara sendiri.
One of the coolest things about travelling in Malaysia is actually stopping for a break at the R&Rs. If you've never been here, these places are great. It's just so happening. They're like little mini tourist spots themselves. Just look at this. I mean, these places do not compare to what we are used to when we think about rest areas in Australia. They've got everything here, tons of places to eat, places to shop. There's a little playground for the kids. It's really a refreshing stop. There's a surau up here, so I can get my prayer done. So what an amazing place to have a rest, eat, drink, pray, fuel up, and now back on the road.
Makan apa aja di RNR atau rest area jalan tol di Malaysia. Ini aku lupa RNR area mana ya. Tapi perjalananku dari Nilai ke Shah Alam. Jadi karena tiba-tiba lapar, aku stop di RNR ini dan ngeliat ada putu bambu. Aku suka banget sama putu bambu ini, tapi aku selalu nemunya kalau lagi di RNR. Apakah di kedai biasa di KL ada yang jual ini? Atau hanya jual di RNR aja ya guys? Yang aku paling suka ini rasa coklat. Harganya RM7, coklatnya banyak dan isinya kayak gini. Ini harganya RM7, menurut kamu oke dan worth it nggak? Selain beli putu bambu, kemarin juga lihat sate kajang. Ternyata ada yang jual di sini juga. Ini first time aku coba sate kajang. Rasanya lumayan enak. Bumbu di sate ayamnya berasa kayak ada manis-manisnya. Aku beli satu set dengan nasi impitnya. Tapi di aku nasi impitnya kurang banyak, jadi aku harus add on. Kalau di RNR, kamu biasanya beli makanan apa aja? Boleh komen di bawah dan see you next video.
Come with me to RNR Seremban, Malaysia's best RNR yet. When you arrive at the entrance, you immediately have a glance of everything because the space is so big. You'll find a variety of food here at RNR Seremban because the space is so big and you might need a few minutes before making a decision. Because there was so many people, I couldn't make a decision myself. This hangout spot is perfect for an IG moment, and I can't leave out the Plus logo playground. Now the surau is an important place for RNRs, so let's check it out. The space is so big and the natural lighting is definitely a vibe. I really like it here, and please guys, whatever you do here, please clean after yourselves, okay?
Inilah bahagian yang buat pelancong terdiam lama, tandas, bersih, terurus, dan wangi. Ada ruang keluarga, OKU, dan ibu menyusu. Ramai pelancong luar secara jujur berkata, di negara kami tempat rehat tak begini. Ada yang bandingkan terus. Ini lebih teratur daripada RNR di Amerika. Malaysia tak jerit hebat. Malaysia tunjuk dengan kualiti, bukan kemudahan sahaja. Pelancong kagum dengan senyuman pekerja, layanan mesra dan kesabaran orang tempatan. Ada yang sesat arah, ada yang tak faham bahasa, tapi tetap dibantu. Inilah yang buat mereka akhirnya mengaku, Malaysia bukan sekadar cantik, Malaysia buat orang rasa selamat.
Hey y'all, so I'm actually blindfolded right now.
Get the main view.
Man, this is not a rest area, guys. This is a mall. This is crazy, y'all. Look at this, y'all. Whoa. The Nasi Kandar, this is absolutely amazing. A rest area, guys? Really? If y'all would have me, I'm telling y'all, I'll be the one that keeps showing y'all how beautiful y'all. Got a play, right? This is the so I was trying to meet him at a playground, y'all. It was the wrong one. I was at the other one and it had an outside playground. If y'all keep having me, I will keep being a person that will keep showing you how beautiful you are. How you doing, man? Y'all been riding this.
Guys, I don't know what to say. I'm absolutely speechless. It's even taken a while to edit this because, I mean, I'm speechless, guys. I got to visit the prayer room there. I was taken around. I had so much food there. I'm absolutely speechless. I'm still speechless, y'all. For real. For real, for real.
I'm amazed, y'all. I'm amazed. Oh, y'all got some fried chicken here. That's what I want, me some fried chicken right there. Malaysia's changed my life. I'm in here to backpack Malaysia. You can easily backpack Malaysia, guys. You can backpack Malaysia. They want you to be cashless here, guys. This is amazing, y'all. Malaysia, y'all have changed my life. So when you're watching my videos, just know that this is somebody whose life has changed, okay? I mean, Malaysia is actually changing my life. There's a prayer room here.
We stopped in an R&R stop to get rest, and the
convenience store called CU Korean. But the weird thing is, this is a shop, and upstairs where is the library? You see? What is this? So weird. And ramen station. Yeah. Prepare your own ramen. Very cool. Yeah. Korean stir-fried ramen.
We are not rushing.
Yes. Chili limau. Chef Longtong. What is this? Oh, there's a big package. Okay. Famous bulldog. Every kind of ramen. Let's go for this one.
This R&R hasn't been updated for a while. And that's the whole point, because it's a living witness of the fact that Malaysia has been modernized since forever, not just recently. R&R Machap was built in 1993, and 15 years later it got a fully air-conditioned makan-makan space. I mean, I think it only happens in Johor. And I find it fascinating that many design elements remained unchanged. It makes us feel how developed Malaysia was even before some of us were born. And by the way, on the roof of this R&R, they've installed solar panels. Love the vibe? We'll be back. So you've been here for 35 years? Are you serious? What is the one thing the whole world should know about Malaysia?
It's a beautiful country. I like it. I love it. It's a good mixture of Western and Asian life.
Tell us, why did you decide to marry a Malaysian wife?
We met 30 years ago. My oldest son is close to 30 already.
I still want to understand what is so special about Malaysian women.
That one I don't know. I know only the one.
Perfect.
Bro, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's getting way too dangerous. I'm gonna show you why. It's because of this place right here, freaking Famous Amos. Every single day, cookie, brownie, freaking mini cookies. Can I try one of these? The dark one? And they're so good too. It's so bad for my health, bro. I'm just out here getting bigger and bigger. You might wonder why it's so dangerous. It's because it's in my building. First step is you leave this pool area right here and get on that big microwave over there. And it teleports you downwards. I live in a tree in Malaysia, so all you gotta do is just jump down and then you'll get there faster. You walk into this area over here, then you're met with the most dangerous thing in all of Malaysia, and it should count its freaking days, this dang Famous Amos. When I catch Amos, what would I catch you? Other than that, Malaysia's beautiful. It's not dangerous at all. But unfortunately, if I'm being honest with you, bro, this entire place is AI. If you watch this video to this length, I'm sorry, but it's okay. You can never get those seconds back, and that's your problem. Just kidding. Okay, that's it. Okay, bye.
This has got to be one of the most impressive R&Rs I've ever seen. Wow, ceiling so tall. Wow, Zeus Coffee. Wow, coffee bean, 2 floors some more. Ayam Kepong. Today we are hunting for the best R&Rs in Malaysia, and I'm bringing you to R&R Seremban Southbound. God damn. Past highway speed, leveling up their highway stops. From the moment I step in, this whole place is really cooling. It has crazy high ceilings and giant fans, and so many food options. There's Family Mart, Subway, Zeus, Boost, Ayam Kepong, this coffee bean that is 2 floors, Dunkin Donuts, CU Mart, A&W, and plenty of other stalls. I love how many food options they have here. Wow, so got playground here for kids, and it's so clean. Okay, we know Plus Highways will be bringing the Zen to the toilets, so let's have a look. So very big toilet, and also very clean. Can boleh pass. I give it a 9 out of 10. You can stop here if you're traveling southbound.
Kadang-kadang, kita tak sedar apa yang kita ada kerana terlalu biasa dengannya. R&R Malaysia bukan sekadar tempat rehat. Ia cerminan sistem budaya, sikap rakyat. Dan sebab itulah, pelancong luar terdiam. Kalau tempat rehat pun Malaysia buat sebaik ini, Apalagi sebenarnya yang dunia belum sedar tentang kita? Kalau Anda pernah singgah R&R Malaysia, komen pengalaman Anda. Dan kalau Anda orang Malaysia, mungkin inilah masanya. Kita mula bangga dengan apa yang kita ada. Ini Arus Story. Bukan sekadar cerita, tapi ini reality.
Arus Story dari lensa dan cerita. Bukan sahaja dihayati, tapi dipelajari.